guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Usni Wagam Kasibe and I'm back with a new video. If you are new here, hey, what's the edit do? Shit, I'm so annoying. Damn. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your loyalty. And I decided to start this vlog today because I initially wanted this to be a maintenance vlog. However, today I'm going with my mom to her surprise party, her farewell party, because it's not a surprise anymore if she knows but there's a party, but it's her farewell party. So I'm just gonna like take a young snippet there and then just insert it on my vlog, and that's why I decided to just open the vlog today. But I initially wanted this vlog to be a maintenance vlog where I'm gonna go do my nails, my manicure, pedicure, and I wanted to vlog because I'm going for vacation and it's my first time going to get a wax, because vacation, guys, the process I kind of includes waxing, so it's my first time waxing, so I just wanted to take you guys with me. And yeah, man, like it's just those few things. If we're going on lunch with my friends, I can just insert that. But this is just my maintenance vlog. But if anything, if it happens while I'm doing anything like lunch or something, I'm gonna insert it here. But yeah, if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Road to 2,000, guys, please. I'm on 1,000. What's up, guys? Literally, like, dango is thank you. All right, dango is thank you. But anyways, yes, that's about it.
Kube kuhle uhlale kahle sisebenzile kahle nawe kusukela eGandhi levawodi usifundisa umsebenzi
this overboard now. Boy, now you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Boy, drifting me deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now. Then dip me underway. You can fill my first love when I went slow. Hold me till I scream forever breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Deep, to rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my feet, baby.
Already.